Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Hydrawise Smart Irrigation Management app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Hydrawise is a smart irrigation management app developed by Hunter Industries. It's designed to help homeowners and contractors monitor, control, and automate watering schedules for supported Wi-Fi irrigation controllers. The app allows you to adjust watering times, track water usage, and access system alerts remotely. It's available on both iOS and Android and works with Hydrawise-enabled Hunter controllers like the HC, HPC, Pro HC, and HCC series. The app's main feature is its smart, weather-based watering. It uses hyperlocal weather data to automatically adjust schedules, helping reduce unnecessary watering and save water. It also supports flow meter monitoring, zone configuration, valve alerts, wiring notifications, and activity logs. Users can manage multiple sites and share access with contractors for easier maintenance. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its reliability, automation features, and the ability to control irrigation systems from anywhere. The weather-adjusted watering helps improve efficiency, and contractors value the remote diagnostics, system alerts, and ease of managing multiple client accounts. The interface makes scheduling and zone setup fairly straightforward. However, there are some drawbacks. Some advanced features require a paid Hydrawise enthusiast plan, and the subscription can be a downside for casual users. A few users report occasional syncing issues, delayed notifications, or difficulties when managing very large systems. In addition, performance depends on a stable Wi-Fi connection at the controller. In summary, the Hydrawise app may be worth using if you want automated irrigation control, water-saving weather adjustments, and remote access for easier lawn and garden management. However, if you prefer manual timers, don't need smart features, or want to avoid subscription costs, it might not be essential for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.